Now let us consider this equation now using this logarithmic law. Now if this can be equals to this, now we can represent this as this, and transforming this to this expression here, this one becomes that x raised to the power of log 9 base 3, then equals 27 now will become 3 raised to the power of 3 times x raised to the power of 1 over 2. And let us solve this one here. You have log 9 base 3. This can be written as log 3 raised to the power of 2 base 3, where this is this. So at the end of the day, we have that this is 2 log 3 base 3, which will give us what? 2 times 1, giving us what? 2. So here you have x raised to the power of 2 equals 3 raised to the power of 3 times x raised to the power of 1 over 2. Let us divide both sides by x raised to the power of 1 over 2. Now this will eliminate this. Now from the left hand side, we have that x raised to the power of 2 minus 1 over 2, which will give us 3 raised to the power of 3. Now expressing this one further, which means the power, we have x raised to the power of 3 all over 2, or equals to 3 raised to the power of 3. Now for us to eliminate 3 all over 2, we have to raise both sides by the reciprocal of this power, which is 2 raised to the power 2 all over 3, then equals to 3 raised to the power of 3 all raised to the power of 2 all over 3. Now this we eliminate this, then 3 here we eliminate this 3 here, then x now will give us 3 raised to the power of 2, which is 9. Final answer. Thank you and God bless you.